What I'm about showing you right in this video is a mind-blowing one, so you just need to pay attention to the details I'll be bringing right in this video. Alright, so I am not supposed to make this video, but just to assist some of you that are interested in actually getting rewards from a particular survey that will fetch you $50 per one survey. So right here in this video, you are going to be following all the process I'm going to be showing you right in this video. If you're actually missing anyone out, you should be blaming yourself. Now, before we proceed with this video, you're coming across the channel for the first time or you have been an existing subscriber, please do well to like this video, and if you are yet to subscribe, and please do well to drop a comment if you got value from this video, and most especially turn on the bell notification so you can get notified whenever amazing content like this is being posted in this channel. Now, everything you're going to be getting right in this survey platform is totally free. You don't need to pay for a verification ID, you don't need a UK number or a US number. Just watch me as I proceed. Just support this video by giving this video a thumbs up as we proceed. Now, the first thing you want to do right here is to download the Windscribe VPN. We all know that the Windscribe VPN is totally free to use. So right now I am actually downloading mine on my device, and I'm going to be showing you what you need to do next. Now, after you might have downloaded your Windscribe VPN, the next thing you want to do right here is to open your Windscribe VPN. Okay, so if you have an existing account, you can go ahead to log in. If you don't have, you can connect your account. So I'm going to be logging in since I have an existing account right on the Windscribe VPN. So you just need to take your time and watch me as I do this. So I just have to insert my details right here. So I'm going to be inserting my password. So I have to change this. So what is required is username, not an email address. So this is my username and this is my password. So I just need to click on continue. So once I click on that, we just need to set this puzzle to the right match. So we just have to set that like this. So let's hold on for our login. So right here, you just have to click on OK. If you already have an account, you can log in using this login method, but if you don't have an account, you need to create an account on the Windscribe VPN. Now, the next thing we want to do right now is to connect our Windscribe VPN to the United States. Okay, we are actually using this particular location for this survey, not United Kingdom, the United States. So right here you can see the US Central, you can see them right here. So let's say we want to go for US Central right here. You can see different of the locations right here. So let's say we want to go for the Atlanta fishery right here, since we are using the free version. So what you just need to do is to hold on. You can see connecting. Please terminate the current connection before starting a new one. So just allow this. So let me allow my VPN access. So it's actually getting to be connected. So right here you can see that we are connected to our VPN, so we are not sharing any invite right here. So let's confirm the location that we are into right here. So you can see that we are connected to WireGuard. Extremely simple yet okay. We just want to confirm that we are connected to the United States. Okay, so right here you can see that yourself, Atlanta. I don't know how to pronounce this, but this is actually under the United States. So let's go ahead to confirm if we are fully in the United States. So how we do it is to go over to my Edge browser. So I'm getting over to my Edge browser right here, and I'm going to type wow.net. So let's confirm this before we proceed. Okay, so let's confirm this before we proceed. So you can see right here, you can see this right here. Just hold on. Okay, let's do this. Okay, you can see this right here. Our IP reads 104 Los Angeles, United States. So you can see, and our discourse is 78%. and you can see this right here. So this does not really sound well, the discourse does not really sound well. Now let's wait for this to load before we can confirm that the total discourse is actually showing 78%. So we just have to wait, it's actually loading. So let's just hold on, let's see for ourselves before we can head over to our survey. Like I recommend to you, always make sure you have done your IP analysis before logging into any survey platform right here. So let's hold on, it seems it's loading, but if it's not loading, we need to go over to our settings and do the necessary setup, which I'm going to be showing you right in this video. Okay, as we wait for this, let's quickly go over to our setting right here. Okay, WinScribe is connected. We can come right here and search for VPN. Let's see VPN. Okay, we are already connected to this, so let's go to our time zone. Let's go to our time zone. So under privacy and security, for some of you that doubt that you don't run survey accounts on iPhone, that is what I do mostly. I run my account on my iPhone and also on my Android. So I'm going to click on privacy and security, come down to location service and turn this off. You can see that I have turned this off. Okay, you can see my location. You can see my location is turned off. My location is turned off. You can see that yourself. So let's check and confirm this from this. So let's confirm this. We have to refresh this. We have to refresh this so we can get this right. So let's hold on. Let's hold on. So when you come right here, the reason why you're seeing your discourse to be 78% is because when you come down right here, you can see that the time is not actually the same. You can see that yourself. So what do you need to do? What you just need to do is to make sure this time matches together. You can see August Friday 22nd to 25, and you can see that right here that the time zone does not tally with each other. So we just need to do the setup on our mobile device. So most of you complain that you don't actually get your discourse to be 100 or 90. That is actually the cause. So what we are going to do is to go over to our settings and do the proper settings on our phone, and come under general, then come under dates and time. Okay, so right here you can actually see sets automatically. The reason why you're seeing that is going to be not close to 80 is because this is actually time zone showing Lagos. So you just need to come down right here and type in maybe USA. You can see that right here. So when you go over to your VPN right here, let's minimize this, let's go over to our VPN. You can see that we are under Atlanta and Pitch 3. I don't know how to pronounce that, so you can just come down under here and type in USA. Let me see if I can get Atlanta. Let's see if we can get Atlanta. Let's see if we can get Atlanta. You can see that Atlanta, USA. So we can just pick that right here, and our time has actually changed. You can see that yourself. So you can see our time just changed. So let's go over to our account and see the changes we have made so far. So let's refresh this and see for ourselves. For some of us that are doubting that you don't want survey account on iPhone, it is actually possible. Your setup determines your success on survey platforms. You can see that we are actually loading, so this is what we are getting. And so notwithstanding, you can go ahead to access this particular survey platform with this particular VPN. This is the WinScribe VPN, because this particular platform is not strict. So right here, after connecting to your WinScribe VPN, make sure you're connected to the United States. So once that is done, the next thing you want to do right now is to head over to your browser. Now you can go ahead to use any of the browser you want to use for this particular survey. Now here is the survey platform. So right here you can see this is the interface right here. So the first thing you want to do right now is to click the first link on the pinned comment section for your registration. Now you're going to be brought into this interface right here. You can see enter to get and share link. So you just have to enter your first name right here. So right now, what I would advise you do is to sign in with a female name. That is why I say you need to pay attention to all the details that will be said right in this video, because if you're actually skipping any part or you fast track this video, you are going to be missing out, and you're going to be asking some questions that have been answered right in this video. So right here, your first name, your last name needs to be a female name, and your mobile number needs to be a US mobile number. Now, how do you get this? You can go over to your browser and type female names that are located to US citizens. So what you're going to do right now is to minimize this. So when you get over to your browser, just come right here and type in 10 female names, 10 female names and surname, or just type 10 female names in US or USA. Okay, so let's go right there. You can see Olivia Emma, so we can just go with Olivia Emma or Olivia Emilia. Okay, so let's go with that. So we are coming over here to type in Olivia, and the last name should be Amalia. Is that correct? Amalia. So this is actually correct. So, and you can go ahead to put in a US phone number for this. So right now you can go ahead to use any random US phone number, and I'm going to be using mine right here. So I made a video on how you can get a random US number for survey platforms like this. So I'm going to show you this right here. So when you come right here, you can see that for yourself. So this is where we are going to be getting a random US number for this. So we are looking for the United States. So for some of that, will be asking what is the name of this app. This is actually the name, receive SMS. I made videos on this already. Okay, so you can get it from any other platform just to get your US mobile number for this. So right here, to get it, just click on USA. So if this is taking long, we can just go over to their Telegram channel to pick the current number there. So let's go over to Telegram. So this is the Telegram channel, so you can just click on that. So these are several numbers you can use for your verification. So let's look for the one of the United States. So these are 5 numbers for United Kingdom. So we're actually going for the United States, but better still, you can still come over to your browser right here and minimize and type in 10th number. Okay, just type in 10th number, then you can get a generated temporary number right in this place. So when you click temporary number, you're going to be getting this. So you can see this is for United States, this is for United Kingdom, and this is for Netherlands. So we can just go ahead to copy this right here and leave this page. So we are getting over to our profile to continue this. So once you're here, just come right here and paste your mobile number. So we have actually gotten our US number. So the next thing we want to do is to input our email address, then click on by entering your email address you are going to the option to receive. Okay, so just click on enter right here. So we are actually moving to the next interface. So right here you can see copy and share your custom URL. So the next thing you want to do right now is to copy this right here. So before we proceed, you can see what it says right here. Share your link with women who could be a surrogate via email, Facebook, or however you would like. You both earn $50 when her online registration is successfully completed. Okay, you both earn $100 when her initial call is successfully completed. You both earn $500 when she is ready to begin the matching process and meet the family she is meant to help. Keep referring more people surrogates and keep earning rewards. So you can see that this platform is mainly for females, women. That is why when I started I said you should make sure your profile name should be a female name. That is why we went in search of the US female names right into this platform. So right here we have copied this and a confirmation mail has been sent to us right now. So I need to go over to my email to confirm what has been sent to me. So right here, this is the email. Let's open it. You can see, thanks for participating in Conceive Ability Surrogate Referral Program. We are grateful for your help in educating women everywhere about the possibility of being a surrogate. Okay, so right here it says give your friend up to $650 to learn more about being a surrogate and same amount for you too. So copy your referral right now. That's what it said. Copy it right now. So that's what you just need to click on your account. So once you click on that, you can see right here it says the same thing. So once you copy this, you just have to refer your friends right into this platform. Make sure they are females. Okay, so you don't have to be a female to have access to this platform. Just fill in your details as a female. So right here we can go ahead to click on email right here. So right here you can see enter friend's email address. Okay, so you can go ahead to click on enter friend's email address right here and click on notes, then send to your friend. So once your friends get approved and accepted to this platform, you are going to be given your own commission right on this platform. So it is better you sign up now and wait for their approval. Okay, so once you're approved, you start leveraging more and getting value of this particular survey platform. Now, formally on this platform, immediately you make a registration, what should be asked for you is to fill out some details, some questions that will be asked of you regarding babies, regarding your home address and the likes of it. But I think there is a changes right on this platform. So right here you can come right here and copy your affiliate link and share with your friends and wait for your earnings. So right here you can see how it works. You can click on that. So once you click on that, it's going to load up this page right here. You can see how it works. For every friend you refer, you earn $50 per approved application. Then you get 100 per approved phone screen and $500 per activation. So that's how it works. So what you just have to do is to copy your link after your registration, then refer your friends to this platform, and you're going to be getting your rewards as it is stated right here. So that is how this platform works, and this is a survey platform that is focused and mainly for females. So thank you for watching this video to this point. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to drop them on the comment section below and I'll be glad to give response to it. Now it is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I will give you with and also show you some specific ways just like this you just watched on how you can leverage more and earn on it. So thank you for watching once more. If you actually got value from this, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content is being published right here in this channel. See you on my next video and keep winning.